First, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, then open the Settings app. From Settings, navigate to Accessibility. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Hearing section. Then select Audio and Visual. Scroll down to the very bottom, and you will find the new update, Flash for Alerts. Tap on it. At the top, toggle the switch next to Flash for Alerts to turn it on. Below that, you will see three options. If LED flash is selected, it will use the camera flash on the back of your iPhone. If you select Screen, your display will light up for alerts. And if you select both, it will activate the flash and screen together. Next, you will see two more toggles. If you enable flash while unlocked, alerts will flash even while you're actively using your phone. And if you keep flash in silent mode enabled, alerts will flash even when your phone is on silent. Now adjust these settings based on what works best for you. That's it. Now your iPhone will light up whenever you get a notification, whether through the LED flash, the screen, or both. So that's how you can enable flash for alerts on iPhone.